Good evening, respected chief guest, principal sir, teachers, audience, and my dear friends. Before I begin, let me ask you a question. Which country celebrates hundreds of festivals, speaks many languages, eats thousands types of dishes, and yet stands together as one nation? The correct answer is Bharat. Hello, my name is Nidhiben Vinodbhai Chaudhary. I am from class 7th. Today I am going to speak about the culture of Bharat. I come from the greatest nation on this earth, that is Bharat. Other countries call her India. Arab people used to call her Hindustan. Bharat is not just a country on the map. Bharat is living culture with full of traditions, value and wisdom that have been growing for thousands of years. One of the most beautiful things about Bharat is its unity in diversity. In our country, people speak different languages, wear different clothes, and follow different religions. Some people are Hindu, some are Muslim, some are Sikh, and some are Christian. We are only country who treat our country our mother. People may belong to different castes or creeds, but their hearts always beat for Bharat. We may look different from outside, but inside we are one family. Another wonderful part of Bharatiya culture is our food. Bharat is famous for its delicious and colorful dishes. From Gujarati thali, dosa, idli and biryani to sweets like laddu and jalebi, every region has its own taste and tradition. Our food does not only fill our stomach, it also brings people together and spread happiness. Bharatiya culture also teaches us great value. We learn to respect elders, love younger ones, help the poor, and always speak the truth. When we greet someone, we say Ram Ram. It means I bow to the Ram in you. In Bharat, we also say Atithi Devo Bhava, which means guest is like God. This shows how much respect and kindness our culture teaches us. Bharatiya culture also known for its festivals. We celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights. We celebrate Holi, the festival of color. We celebrate Eid, the festival of sharing. We celebrate Christmas, the festival of love. We celebrate Navratri, the festival of devotion, dance and many more. These festivals bring joy, unity and happiness to people everywhere. Thank you.